Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Math with Miss McIntosh. Back again with another story problem. As always, we're going to read the story problem, then mark it up and begin to solve. Let's jump right into reading. Follow along with me. Talia has 44 crackers. Matthew has 21 more crackers than Talia. How many crackers does Matthew have? Let's read it one more time before we begin our markup. Here we go. Talia has 44 crackers. Matthew has 21 more crackers than Talia. How many crackers does Matthew have? Now it's time to mark it up. First step, I'm going to circle my numbers. Go ahead and circle your numbers now. I see one number here. I see another number here. Now, we need to underline our units. 44 what? 44 crackers. Make sure you underline your units now. 21 what? Underline those units. 21 more crackers. Whoa! I saw the word more and I gave it a double underline one time because I know that more is a key word to help me solve. Okay, now it says that one person has more than another person, so right away that tells me that I'm going to create my greater, lesser, and difference key. Let's begin writing up our key so that we can fill in the numbers as we read it along. I have my greater amount. I have my lesser amount. And I have my difference. It's okay. It doesn't really matter the order that you write the G, the L, and the D. All that matters is that you have them in your key. Now, it says that Matthew has 21 more. So if Matthew has more than Talia, then that means that Talia has less. That means that Talia has the smaller number. If Talia has the smaller number, who has the larger amount? Matthew. Let's write Matthew's amount. Wait a second. That's what we need to solve for. We don't know Matthew's amount, so we're going to write a question mark next to the G in our key. Write a question mark. Now, we already know who has the lesser amount because lesser means smaller. Who has the smaller amount? Yeah, it's Talia. And how many crackers does Talia have? Talia has 44 crackers. Go ahead and write 44 crackers next to the L in your key. 44 crackers. Now, the difference. Remember when I said on Monday that the difference is from the smaller amount to the greater amount, or how you get from the greater amount back down to the smaller amount. It's the amount in between. That means it's blank more or blank less. Matthew has 21 more. That's our keyword, more. 21 must be our difference. Write 21 next to the D in your key. 21 crackers. Don't forget your units. Okay, now that we have our key written down, the next thing we need to do is we need to solve. On Monday, I showed you how to get to the greater amount. Who remembers? Yes, you need to add the smaller amount or the lesser amount with the difference to count on to get to the greater amount. So L, our lesser amount, plus D, our difference equals G, our greater amount. That means that we need to count on. And what's the faster way to count on? Oh, yeah. The faster way to count on is by putting a number in a box and then counting on using tens and ones. 44 is larger than 21. So I'm going to put 44 in a box first to make it faster. Put 44 in a box on your paper. Go. Okay. Now, are we counting on to find our greater amount or counting back to find our greater amount? Yup, we're counting on. So if we're counting on, are we adding or subtracting? That's right, we are adding. Go ahead and put a plus sign next to 44. Next, we need to add our difference. Matthew has 21 more. 21 is our difference. We're going to represent 21 using tens and ones. 21. How many tens? Say it. Yep, that's right. 2 tens. Write 2 tens on your paper. One. 2. And don't forget to double check. 10 and 10. Now, 21 also has some ones. How many ones does it have? 21. It has 1 1. So draw 1 1 on your paper. Go. Don't forget to double check. 1. Now we need to count on to find our final answer. We're trying to find out the amount for Matthew. 44. Now we're counting by tens. We're counting on by 10, so my number's getting larger. 44, 54, 54, 64. Wait, now we're counting by ones. What number comes right after 64? Yes, 65. So Matthew has 65 crackers. 65 crackers. And that's our answer. I'll see you again on Friday. Bye.